first check which blade you need to change, if it's at the tension screw or a standard blade. You see the tension screw here, it's at the tension screw hole. You can remove that. If this is the blade that needs to be changed, it's as simple as removing the screw and pulling the blade out. If you have a clear view tilt and it's still connected to the blade, the very first thing you need to do is remove the screw from the clear view tilt. To remove the blade, hit the blade away from the tilt rod, from the back out, holding the blade firmly sturdy, straight out. You can see I've sheared the pin without damaging the style, and it's left that bit on, and on the other side the fixed pin's still intact. These nits just need to be removed. Put your fixed pin in one side, your spring pin in the other. When you're putting the blade back in, put the tilt rod notch towards the back, towards the tilt rod. Put the fixed pin in first. Depress the spring pin and make sure it goes into the center hole on the blade. The internal tilt rod mechanism. You can tell where the internal tilt rod mechanism is by the grooved lines on the inside of the stile. The side that's opposite, you can see, is flush and flat. That is the idle side that you have to break the pin out of. Again, make sure it's not the tension screw blade. If it is, you simply remove the screw first and then the blades will fall out. If it is a standard blade, then you just simply break the side opposite the internal tilt rod.